Sharing a program. Follow these steps to share the program in Small Basic. Step 1. Click on the Publish button in the web group of the toolbar. Step 2. A dialog box appears which contains a program ID and a web page URL. We can either provide the ID or web page URL to the people with whom we want to share the program. Elements of Small Basic Programming. We will now learn about the basic elements of the Small Basic Programming language. Variables. A variable is used to store different kinds of information such as text or a number in the computer's memory. When we store a value or information in a variable, it overwrites the previous information stored in it. It can contain different values at different points in time. To create variables in Small Basic, we use the assignment operator. Following are the examples of defining variables. Number equal 5, fruit equal into double quotes apple, marks equal 50.5. Types of variables. Numeric variable. Numeric variables are used to store numbers for calculations. They can hold integer and decimal numbers. The numeric variables that hold integers are called integer variables. The numeric variables that hold decimal numbers are called floating variables. For example, 22, minus 34 and 9.25. String variable. Strings are a set of characters that can be a mixture of numbers, letters and other characters. For example, into double quotes, hello world followed by an exclamation mark, into double quotes 123 random road, into double quotes ABCDE, into double quotes 88 golf course road, and into double quotes 12345-8976. Boolean variable. Boolean variable are used to make decisions. This type of variables hold two values, true or false. Rules for naming variables. The names we give to the variable are called identifiers. Variable name can include letters, lowercase and uppercase, digits 0 to 9 and underscore character. To name the variables, follow the following rules. Variable name should always start with a letter or underscore. Variable name can only use letters, digits and underscores. Name of the variables should describe the value that they store. Don't use the Small Basic keywords such as if, else, then, and or while to name the variable. Variable names in Small Basic are case insensitive, that is, side in title case, side in uppercase or side in lowercase are the same variable. Operators. Operators are special symbols in Small Basic that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value on which the operator is operating is called the operand. Small Basic divides the operators in the following categories. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations between two operands. The arithmetic operators are defined in the following table. Plus, addition, adds values on both sides of the operator. X plus y, output 6. Minus, subtraction, subtracts right-hand operand from left-hand operand. X minus y, output 2. Asterisk or multiplication. Multiplication multiplies values on either side of operator. X multiplied by y, output 8. Slash, division, divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. X divided by y, 2. Exponential, performs exponential power calculations on operands. X at the power of y, 16. Logical operators. Logical operators are used primarily in the expression evaluations to make a decision. Small Basic supports the following logical operators: operator and in lowercase, name and in uppercase, description, it returns true if both operands are true. Example, x equal 3. Into parenthesis, x is lesser than 5 and x is lesser than 10. Output true. Or in lowercase or in uppercase, it returns true if one of the operands is true. X is less than 5 or x is less than 2. Output true. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare the values of two operands and returns Boolean true or false accordingly. The comparison operators are described in the following table. Operator equal, name equal, description. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Example, x equal y. Output false. Greater than, less than. Not equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, the condition will become true. X not equal y. Output true. Greater than. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is greater than y. True. Less than. It checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is less than y. False. Greater than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is greater than or equal to y. True. Less than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is less than or equal to y. False. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words which cannot be used as a variable. They are predefined by the software developer for a specific purpose. Some of the keywords are as follows: if, else, else if, end if, for, end for, sub, end sub, while, end while, then, go to, step 2. Comments. In Small Basic, comments are used to explain the program code. Comments help and enable us to understand the way a program works. In Small Basic, comments start with a single quote. During the execution of the program, Small Basic ignores the line that starts with single quote. The Small Basic editor shows all comments in green color, so you can easily tell them apart from the lines of actual code. For example,